Hi everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to use the new SIS Grades Export feature in Google Classroom. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your gradebook is set up in Infinite Campus. Next, you'll head to Google Classroom and you want to make sure that you have entered grades for your assignment for your students. You'll also want to make sure that you have returned those assignments back to your students. Then you'll hit the Grades tab and you'll select the assignment that you would like to export. Then click SIS Export, and a notice will pop up at the bottom that says Exporting Grades, and it may take a few minutes. Then you'll head back to Infinite Campus and refresh your screen. And now I see a box has popped up at the top that says Uncategorized Assignments. I'll click on that, I'll select my assignment, and I'll assign my grading task, which is Semester 1, and I'll select my category, which is formative. Click Save All. And now I can see the grades for my assignment have appeared in Infinite Campus. There are a few things that you'll want to be aware of. The first is that you are unable to change certain things about your assignment after you have exported it from Google Classroom. So for example, you are unable to change the assignment name, the due date of the assignment, and the point value associated with the assignment. So you'll want to make sure that all of these things are correct in Google Classroom before you move forward with the SIS export. However, if a student turns in an assignment late and I do need to adjust the student's grade, I can do that later from Infinite Campus. Be sure to save your gradebook and you're good to go.